Welcome to our video on time management strategies for personal development and self-care. In today's fast-paced world, it can be easy to feel overwhelmed and struggle to find time for ourselves. But it's important to remember that taking care of ourselves and making time for personal development is essential for achieving success in all aspects of life. In this video, we will be discussing several strategies that can help you manage your time more effectively and make room for self-care and personal growth. The first strategy is to make a schedule and stick to it. Set aside specific times for work, self-care, and personal development activities. For example, you can set aside 30 minutes in the morning for meditation, an hour in the afternoon for exercise, and 30 minutes before bed for reading. By creating a schedule, you'll be able to prioritize your time and make sure you're taking care of yourself. Another strategy is to eliminate distractions. Social media, emails, and unnecessary meetings are just a few examples of things that can distract us from our goals. Prioritize the most important tasks and focus on them first. Turn off your phone, log out of social media, and close unnecessary tabs on your computer. This will help you stay focused and get more done in less time. It's also important to take breaks and practice self-care throughout the day. Sitting in front of a computer for hours on end can take a toll on your body and mind. Taking short breaks to stretch, walk around, or even just take a deep breath can help you stay refreshed and focused. Time blocking is another effective strategy for managing your time. This involves breaking your day into specific blocks of time and dedicating each block to a specific task or activity. This can help you stay focused and prevent you from getting distracted. The Pomodoro technique is a popular time management strategy that involves working in short, focused sessions, with short breaks in between. This can help you stay focused and avoid burnout. Another effective strategy is to set aside time for reflection and review. At the end of each day, take a few minutes to reflect on what you've accomplished and what you still need to do. This will help you stay organized and on track. One of the most important aspects of time management is learning to say no. It's important to prioritize your time and not to spread yourself too thin. If you're constantly saying yes to everything, you'll quickly find yourself overwhelmed and unable to complete your tasks. Remember, taking care of yourself and making time for personal development is essential for achieving success in all aspects of life. So start implementing these strategies today, and see the positive impact it has on your life.